Hi guys.
Yeah, contact, and if you
Hi guys.
blink
So
twice, it'd be
fast
official.
forward to like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm already at the camp with Wolfie. Oh no, that's Johnny. Wolfie and Zavina is like right there. Can you guys see her?
Kill me.
Yeah, we have nothing to do. It's like free time, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
free time. And so we're gonna go just travel somewhere. And so yeah, see you guys in a moment. So it is the afternoon, and still, and like we're not doing anything, and it was like everybody from these schools know each other, but it's just like Sanji. This is we don't know anybody here, but I mean, we have 2 more days, so I hope we can make at least a couple friends. Fingers crossed. Bye.
Rule with an iron fist, I'd be like, oh, rule with an iron fist. Like, I used to be so serious about it too. Like, iron.
It's not like you're saying Iran.
Like, iron.
Stone benches are my favorite.
Hey.
Fucking sexy.
It is.
They're oddly
minutes.
comfortable.
You're not gonna front camera it? I know.
No, I feel like the camera not even on my ass.
You remind me of an old person. I'm leaving. What the fuck? Front camera and he's taking the picture with the.
I'm not even taking a picture. What are you guys talking about?
Where's the road to go back to Sanji?
Where's the
Oh my god, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this. This looks amazing. Look at the restrooms.